Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Triple Win Makerspace. Do you have a membership with us? You don't have a membership? Well, you need to get one. Should I show you around first and show you all the cool things we have? All right, come on, follow me. One of the cool things we have in the Makerspace wood shop is our CNC table. We have a laser, and we have all these amazing pieces of equipment that you can use, table saws, drill press, all the best stuff to make your wood projects. And we have more, so let's come. This is the area we call the pods. Here at Triple Win, you can have a basic membership, or you can have one where you get your own space with 24/7 access. So you take a look, really cool area here. And hey, maybe the wood shop isn't your thing. You like pottery. Well, we got that here too. Or maybe you say, Corey, I'm not a wood shop person or a pottery. I like to make t-shirts. Psh, all day. Are there things you want to have engraved? Well, a laser would be super helpful. We got one right here, and this is the smaller one. 3D printing, got that. Maybe you want to embroider some hats, put it on that machine, or any of these. We're also going to go into the other building, but I need a quick second to grab some stuff. Hold tight. All right, welcome to our print area where you can make a bunch of stickers or banners, all the stuff you'd ever need. And if you don't want to be a woodworker or a potter or an embroiderer or a laser person or stickers or banners or a 3D printer, you can be a welder. Thanks for taking this tour today with me at the Triple Win Makerspace here in downtown Waco. We hope you come on by, come get a membership, come have some fun with us, make some really cool things. If you want a membership, check out our website, triplewinwaco.com, or come on by 1211 Webster Avenue here in downtown Waco. We'll see you later. What are you still doing here? Get out of here. Go get your membership. Go to the website. I gotta work out.